Figma Review, Usage Experience. In this video, we'll be reviewing Figma, one of the most popular cloud-based design and prototyping tools used by UI/UX designers, product teams, and developers. If you're looking for a powerful, collaborative, and web-based design tool, Figma offers a feature-rich experience that competes with traditional software like Adobe XD and Sketch. Links to the product are included in the description below. Figma is a fully cloud-based design tool, meaning there's no need to install software. You can access it directly from a web browser. It allows users to create user interfaces, wireframes, prototypes, and vector graphics with an intuitive drag-and-drop interface. One of its key advantages is real-time collaboration, making it perfect for teams working remotely. Multiple users can edit a file simultaneously, leave comments, and see changes in real time, similar to how Google Docs works for documents. The tool offers a variety of powerful features, including auto layout, which allows for flexible, responsive designs, component libraries for reusable elements, and variants for managing different states of design elements. Figma's prototyping tools make it easy to create interactive, clickable prototypes without needing external software. Additionally, its developer handoff feature generates CSS, iOS, and Android code snippets to streamline design-to-development workflows. Figma's integration capabilities are another strong point. It connects seamlessly with Slack, Notion, Jira, and many other productivity tools. Plus, it has a plugin ecosystem where users can extend its capabilities with features like icon libraries, stock images, and design automation tools. Unlike traditional design software, Figma is platform independent, meaning it works on Windows, Mac, Linux, and even Chromebooks. It also offers a mobile app for viewing and commenting on designs on the go. Security is well handled with team permissions, SSO, and enterprise-level security options. However, there are some downsides. Since it's cloud-based, performance depends on internet connectivity, which can be a limitation in low-bandwidth environments. Also, while Figma has a free plan, it comes with limitations, such as restricted project organization and limited version history. For teams that need advanced features, a paid subscription is required. Overall, Figma is an excellent choice for UI/UX designers, product teams, and developers looking for a collaborative and efficient design tool. Its real-time editing, cloud-based convenience, and prototyping features make it a standout option in the design industry. If you're looking for a modern alternative to Sketch or Adobe XD, Figma is worth trying. Check the links in the description to start using Figma today.